Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So students, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 3 of general knowledge, that is wildlife. Okay? Wildlife. So, what do you understand by wildlife, children? Wildlife. Let's see the definition of wildlife. All living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms in their natural habitats, which are neither cultivated or domesticated nor tamed. Okay, all the living organisms, all the living organisms, plants, animals, microorganisms in their natural habitats, which are neither cultivated or domesticated, not tamed. Okay, so this is our wildlife, is known as wildlife. Okay, students. So now moving further, let's see the introduction. So the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted for protection of plants and animals species. So the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is an act of the Parliament of India enacted for protection of, this is for the protection of plants and animal species. So now before 1972, India only had five designated national parks. Okay, so before 1972, India only had 5 designated national parks. Among other reforms, the act established schedules of protected plants and animal species. Hunting or harvesting these species was largely outlawed. Okay, so among other reforms, the act established schedules of protection of plants and animal species. Hunting or harvesting these species was largely outlawed. Okay, now moving further. So let's see the importance of wildlife. Okay, now wildlife is important for the following, like ecological balance. It's ecological balance. Okay, so it is very important for the ecological balance, which is important for the food chain. Okay, so and also nutrient cycling. This is all. These things comes under food chain, which maintains the nutrient cycling in the atmosphere. Okay, now gene bank, that is breeding program, isn't it? Now controlling pollution. Yes, it also plays an important role in controlling pollution, like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Okay, so now recreational purpose, yes, and scientific research. Now economic importance. So economic importance of wildlife is Ayurvedic medicine. Yes, Ayurvedic medicines, timber, minor forest produce. Okay, now importance of forest, that is productive and protective. Okay, now let's see the preservation. Okay, preservation of wildlife, ex situ and in situ. Now sustainable management, that is habitat manipulation, international multilateral agreements, that is biosphere reserve. Yes, now protection of migratory routes. Okay, and Wildlife Act more strict implementation, that is more strict implementation. Wildlife Act now protects area network and its zonation. that is core, buffer and transition zone. Transition zone. Now let's see the protected area network in India. So the national parks is about 1.2% and wildlife sanctuary is about 3.58%. So that was all about the protected area network in India. Okay. So students, we have read the lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the session. Thank you.